Kayaked all the way back to the boat launch, down the creek, across 2 lakes to get to my hoodie and my jeans. Just realized I didn't have my car keys. So we're rocking a beautiful view down this trail. Try to get back to camp while the other guys sit with the boat. Back to camp. Now we go back. I'm stupid. It didn't take that long. Huzzah. I really should invest in a chest mount or another camera. I'm gonna keep doing stuff like this. The video's not camping. I'm always gonna keep camping, but that way if I do have to run from something for my life, you know, you guys get a nice stable video of it. Way back there's camp. Over here somewhere's the car. First trip of the season, there too. First trip ever. Not bad. The only reason I'm going back to the car is for my hoodie and my pants. Because I'm dumb and didn't put them in my backpack. But I'm also going to go to the liquor store. Because fuck it.
Oh no, we got the
Yak in, pack half the shit out, go home, eat a grease burger, and snuggle the grunt dog. And that's what I call fucking life.